Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today I am going to be filming my what's in my hospital bag. I am currently 32 weeks pregnant, but because I usually go early and I don't know when labor might happen or what might come up, my bag's been packed for a while now. And so without further ado, I'm going to show you what's in my hospital bag and what's in my daughter, because we are having a girl, what's in Madison's diaper bag. So let's start with this is our car seat that we'll be taking, and it's the Orbit baby car seat. So let me move you back a little so you can see. So this is the car seat. This is her car seat. This is her bag. This is the Jujubee BFF in the Commodore print, and this is how I have it packed up for, and I figured I would do backpack style. So let's get into it. So on the front it has the mommy pocket, the media pocket, the two bottle pockets, and it has a carry strap, and yeah. So let's start on this side. So I have diaper sacks. I have her pacifier here with two pacifiers in it, her passy pod with two pacifiers in here. I have hand sanitizer on this side, and then in here I have just Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. You can never have too many hand sanitizer when it comes to a newborn. In the back I have just a changing pad. We're not really gonna use this in the hospital, but it's there just, you know, my bag is packed for her, ready to go when she comes out. On this side, I just have a Avent bottle that we probably won't be using, but it's just in there just in case something happened and I pump at the hospital or something. You never know, and my milk usually comes in really fast. So I am exclusively breastfeeding, so hopefully they don't give her a bottle. In this pocket right here, there's nothing in there. In the mommy pocket right here, I don't have anything in here except for a small set piece with some samples in there. I have some Clorox wipe. Is that Clorox? Yeah, to go. And just some band-aids, and that's it, because I'm gonna be carrying my own separate bag, so I don't need a mommy pocket on here. In the main compartment of it just looks like this, and you have two folder pockets here. I'm not using those. I'm not using that. In here I just have an ouch pouch with some more medical supplies and stuff in there. I have another posse pod in the Peekaboo print. That's empty. I have this Anal Baby pack and seal something for, I don't know why it's in there, but it's for cereal and stuff like that, but I don't need it right now. And in here I have set pieces and quicks, so I'm just going to take out the set pieces and show you guys what's in them. So in my quick, this is the quick, and this is in the I can't remember the print, but I think it's the Admiral print. And in here I just have two travel size pockets of the Honest Company baby wipes. I have another roll of the diaper sack in here. I have two size newborns, 3 size newborns diaper. I have more Honest Company diaper. I have 4 of them. The Honest Company diaper. And I have 2 more travel size, 3 more travel size wipes in there. I have baby lotion because their skin tends to get dry after a while, and a small travel size thing of Desitin. So that's what's in there. In my large set piece, which is in the Commodore print, but this is this is the first made print. So when you buy the set piece, it's called the Commodore print, but it comes with 2 separate prints. So this is the first made print. So in this large set piece, I have 2 Aiden and I's blankets in there, and I'm not going to take them out because you guys know what the swaddle blankets look like. So I have 2 swaddle blankets in here for her. And then in my next large set piece, because I have two of these set pieces, I have her clothes. So I have in here I have 2 socks for her. I have matching headbands for her outfits. I have 2 onesies. So the first one is like this. The second one is like that. And then the other, just a little blanket, just a little sweater, because she will be born in the winter time. Well, the colder months. I have a wet bag, and it just looks like this. It folds out like that. And I also have a little outfit for her. So just look like that, and then the pants. It just have a little outfit on there. So that's that. That's what's in her. That's what's in this large set piece. And then in this medium set piece in the Admiral print, I have a bib. I have 1 bib. I have her jujube beanie bib in the peekaboo print. I have that in there, and the rest is just for when she's older. So that's what's in there. And then in the back pocket of the bag, I have some boogie wipes. I have wet ones. And then in the back of this, I have Johnson's hands and face wipes. And I believe that's all that's in her diaper bag for the hospital. And then along with that, I am taking her boppy pillow for breastfeeding. So it just looks like that. And then her coming home outfit is in my hospital. I'm taking this little sweater with me. Her grandmother made it, so I'm taking this with me just in case she gets cold. And then this is her coming home blanket that her grandmother made for her, and it's a pretty blanket. It's really big, and I got this at my baby shower, and it is so soft. Like, oh, it is so soft. Like, I love this blanket. I really do love this blanket, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna love it too. So that's that for her and her coming home outfit. So for her coming home outfit, I have this onesie that says Brand Sparkling Nail, and then the leggings. You guys seen this outfit before, and then the headband. So that's her coming home outfit. So I'm gonna do this in 2 parts. I'm gonna do baby bag and then my bag because I don't want it to be too long. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which should be what's in my hospital bag. Bye.